A pioneering leader in solutions to wall-related problems, Asian Paints continues to innovate with cutting-edge products that aim to combat these problems that are a menace to the beauty of our homes. Often it is seen that joints in terraces and parapets are prone to cracking over time because of joint movements, expansion and contraction. Thus, most waterproofing solutions and films also crack at parapet joints and corners over a period of time. When exposed to water during the rains or while washing, water leaks through these cracks and joints, causing dampness in the interior walls and ceilings. To combat this problem, Asian Paints now introduces SmartCare Roof Tapes, a unique, best-in-class solution that reinforces terrace joints and corners. These tapes are made of special materials and hence are highly durable, weather-resistant with the strength and flexibility to withstand joint expansion and elongation. When painted over by Dampproof, the system ensures the best-in-class solution for waterproofing and leakage problems on terraces and other exterior joints. Let us now have a look at how Asian Paints SmartCare Dampproof and SmartCare Roof Tapes are used in order to ensure perfect waterproofing in terraces. First, a self-priming coat of diluted Dampproof in the ratio 3:1. That is, 3 parts of Dampproof and 1 part of water is applied to the joints and the terrace surface. This is allowed to dry for 4 to 6 hours. After drying, a second undiluted coat of Dampproof is applied to the joint. While the material is still wet, SmartCare Roof Tapes are applied to the required joints as shown. The tape is pressed to ensure that the material oozes out of the tapes. Roof tapes are available for joints as well as for inner and outer corners as shown. This is then left to dry overnight. Finally, a third and final coat of undiluted Dampproof is applied over the tape. Which, after drying, leads to perfect, long-lasting waterproofing of terrace joints.